सबैजनालाई। अब हामी औपचारिक रूपमा अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ। तीर्थ सर, हजुरले चाहिँ रेकर्डिङ गरिसक्नु भएको छ, त्यसकारणले सायद उहाँ चाहिँ ओझेल परिसक्नुभयो र आज चाहिँ हामी 10औं हप्ताको कार्यक्रममा जुटिरहेका छौँ। त्यसको मतलब हामी 70 दिनभन्दा बढी यो कार्यक्रमलाई निरन्तर रूपमा सञ्चालन गरिरहेका छौँ। सुरुका दिनहरूमा हाम्रो केशवराज घिमिरे जो दादा हुनुहुन्छ, यहाँ अहिले पनि हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो अग्रज, उहाँ चाहिँ को सहयोगमा, पुरै सहयोगमा जुम आइडी सहित उहाँले नै आफ्नै आइडीबाट पनि हामीलाई कार्यक्रमलाई सहजीकरण गरेर यहाँसम्म ल्याइदिनु भयो र बिचमा हामीले आफ्नै आइडी पनि व्यवस्थापन गर्न सक्यौँ। त्यसमा पनि उहाँको विशेष योगदान छ। लगायत हाम्रो नेपाल राष्ट्रिय शिक्षक सङ्गठन कास्की जिल्ला सचिव तीर्थराज सर हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँले चाहिँ यो होस्टिङको काम गरिराख्नु भएको छ। र आजको कक्षा सहजीकरण गर्न आज अङ्ग्रेजी विषयको कक्षा आइतबारको दिन लक्ष्मी मावि अर्गौँबाट सिर्जना अधिकारी म्याडम यहाँ आउनु भएको छ र उहाँले आज अङ्ग्रेजी विषयको भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई सहजीकरण गर्नुहुनेछ र यहाँहरूले सदा चाहिँ आजको कक्षाबाट पनि भरपुर मनोरञ्जनसहित सिकाइ क्रियाकलापमा सहभागी हुनुहुनेछ भन्ने अपेक्षासहित हामी 7 बजेबाट उता अगाडि बढ्दैनौँ। 1-2 मिनट त्यो समापनका लागि केही होला, त्यसैलाई ध्यान दिँदै सृजना म्याडमले आजको कक्षालाई अगाडि बढाइदिन म उहाँलाई आजको यो कार्यक्रममा विशेष स्वागतसहित कक्षा सञ्चालनको लागि हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु र म चाहिँ यता प्राविधिक रूपमा पछाडि बसेर काम गरिरहेको हुनेछु। टेक्निकल रूपमा केही समस्या भएछ भने हजुरले मसँग यसो कन्सल्ट गर्नु होला अथवा हाम्रो तीर्थ सर नै हुनुहुन्छ। यो कुराहरू राख्दै अब 6:13 गएको छ। ठिक 7 बजे सक्ने गरी सृजना अधिकारी म्यामलाई आजको कक्षा सहजीकरणका लागि अनुरोध गर्दै सम्पूर्ण भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई आजको कक्षामा हार्दिक स्वागत गर्दछु र म पनि यता ओझेल पर्छु। हस्, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Damodar Timal Sinha sir, and respected personalities of NNT and dear students. I welcome to everyone in this my English session. Today I am new to facilitate you. I did not have this type of class before this time, so I am learning some things from you and I am going to facilitate you. Today's topic is articles. Articles carries 0.5 marks in your SEA exam. It comes in question number 10. So you have already known this topic and articles. I would like to ask you some question. What are the articles? Can you tell me?
A and the.
Okay, A and the are articles. How many types of articles in English?
3.
2
Types?
2 types.
2 types.
What are the 2 types?
Definite articles and indefinite articles.
Definite article and indefinite article.
Indefinite article.
Okay. Have you heard consonant and vowel sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me how many vowels in English?
5.
What are they?
A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U are vowels in English, and rest of the English letters are consonants. Now I am doing screen sharing. Good evening, it's me Srijana Adhikari. Now I am teaching in Lakshmi Secondary School, Pokhara 26. I have been teaching as an English language teacher for 12 years. I have taught nearly 10 years in Sangha district, then I am transferred. So before this time we talked about the sounds of English. A topic, the words A and the are articles. Do you know? Normally they come before noun. Articles comes before noun Look at the example. Aisma Bhattarai, read these examples.
Yes, miss. I walked
Okay.
a pair of shoes. I saw a movie.
Okay, a pair of shoes is a noun or complement of the sentence, and I a movie. Movie is a noun before movie or is used because here is consonant sound. Before the consonant sound we use. There are two different types of articles. Who can read this article's name?
Indefinite article, definite article.
Okay, an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. Look at here, sometimes we don't use articles before a noun. Sometimes we need not to use articles before noun, that is called nothing or zero article. Sometimes there is option in the question zero articles and we need not to fill the articles. Then look at here. An is indefinite article. Why? Because it does not state which person or thing we are talking about. Indefinite article does not state a person. Indefinite article is not a particular thing. It is indefinite because it does not state any person or thing. Look at example. A nurse cures my grandmother. Means a nurse, or means anyone nurse, or nurse mean anyone nurse cures my grandmother. Then another example, a boy is watering the plants means anyone boy. Do you know indefinite article why it is called? Risma Pandey.
Yeah, because it doesn't state which person or thing we are talking about.
Okay, that is why we called an a or an indefinite article. Then another, the is called definite article because it points out particular person or thing. The is always pointed the things. So it is called definite article. Look at here example. He is a doctor of my child. He is a doctor of my child. He is a particular doctor. He is pointed out. And so the is called definite article. A or an used before singular and countable noun. Do you know singular or countable noun? Do you know? If you
Noun that
know,
can be
you can tell.
counted are countable noun and which are countless and cannot be counted are uncountable.
Good. The nouns which can be counted are countable noun and only one is singular noun. Here is a pencil, an octopus, a bench, an apple. These are countable. Then the is used before singular countable, plural countable noun, even uncountable noun. For example, the girl is in blue dress. Here, girl is singular countable noun. The girl is a particular girl. She wears blue dress. Then she keeps the apples in the basket. Here, apples is plural and countable. We can count how many apples in the basket. So here the is used. Then another example, the milk is in the bottle. Here, milk is uncountable, but milk is put in the bottle is a particular thing. That is why the is used before singular countable, plural countable, and even uncountable noun. Now, use of a or an. Aisma Bhattarai, read this use.
Use of a and or an. The choice between a and determines by sound, not spelling. A is used before initial consonant sound and is used beginning with vowel sound. Let's see example. A boy, a tree, a ball, an elephant, an egg. Many
Okay.
English
Okay,
words
thank you. Choice between A or N determined by sound. When we pronounce the word, if we pronounce initial consonant, there we should use A. Then, if we pronounce the letter or word vowel sound, we use there N. I want to tell you something in Nepali. यदि हामीले उच्चारण गर्दाखेरि उच्चारणको पहिलो शब्द क देखि ग सम्म आउँछ भने त्यो कन्सोनेन्ट हुन्छ. डु यु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड? यदि उच्चारण गर्दाखेरि क देखि ग सम्म आउँछ भने त्यो कन्सोनेन्ट हुन्छ र उच्चारण गर्दाखेरि अ देखि अम सम्म आउँछ भने भवेल साउन्ड हुन्छ. दिस इज अ ट्रिक फर वेयर A or N is used. Do you remember this line which I told you in Nepali?
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Yes, ma'am.
many English words begin with vowel letters A, E, I, O, U, but does not possess vowel sound. Use A. Some words are begin with vowel letters, but they does not possess vowel sound in pronunciation. For example, a one-eyed man. When we pronounce one, first letter comes between ka to gya. That is, in Nepali we called wa, wakil wa. So we use a one-eyed man. But wa is vowel letter, not the sound pronounced consonant sound. Sound comes here, consonant. So we use a. Then a unit. You can try to pronounce unit. Pronounce yourself unit. 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 You first letter of U. First letter of U comes between ka to gya. That is, in Nepali we called ya. So we use a. Then European. First letter is vowel, but the sound comes with consonant sound, so we use a. Then a, EWE, UE. So we use a. Then a uniform, a union, etc. Are you clear?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, some English words begin with yas and become silent. When we pronounce these words, we use an. For instance, some words are begin with h later, and when we pronounce these words are silent and then we use n. Look at here, h-o-u-r. H is consonant letter. H is consonant letter. And when we pronounce h-o-u-r, our, the first h is silent and becomes, here is a sign, awa. So we use n. Then another word, hair. Hair, h-e-i-r, here, h is here, h is consonant, but the pronunciation becomes a. So we use n. Likewise, here is an honorable person. An honorable person. In between the slash, you can look, you can see the sound. Honorable, H is silent. Honorable. This is the correct pronunciation of honorable, not honorable. If the pronunciation becomes honorable, we should use a, but the pronunciation goes into honorable, honorable. That is why we use n. Do you understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. With abbreviation. Abbreviation means short form of the letters, vowel sound, and ALT test, and SEE, and MA, and NTC, an IELTS or an SOS. Likewise, consonant or BA or UFO or PSD or NASA or CNN hero. You can differentiate between this vowel sound and consonant sound. We use N before ELT because if we pronounce ELT, first sound becomes E. First sound becomes E. That is why we use N. And here is BA. BA. B sound first ma आयो. So that is why we use BA. Then MA. MA. When you write MA in Nepali, MA that comes between all two that is why we use N before MA. Similarly, PSD. PSD. You should careful about the words when we pronounce and choose the article air and PSD. Everybody pronounce the word PSD.
PSD.
PSD. PSD. The sound which comes before. The sound which comes before PSD.
Consonant sound.
Consonant sound. So we use A. Are you clear about?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then look at here in exclamations. What a sunny day. Exclamation means it makes us surprised such a long time. What a sunny day or such a long time. Then another number, a person like somebody. Asma Bhattrai, read this line.
Yes, miss.
A person like somebody, then read the example.
He is a little Gandhi. She
Okay.
looks like Teresa.
Teresa, he looks like Gandhi. So, before little Gandhi, we use a. Then, she looks like Teresa. She looks like a Teresa. That is why a person like somebody we use article. Then with jobs, professions, or members of group, we should use articles. I am a teacher. Teacher is a profession. That is why we use article. Then profession. My brother is an officer. Is a profession or job. Here is an article we use. Then he is a Buddhist, mean a member of a group. So we
Miss,
use, tell me.
she looks like a Teresa. Or
She
Ainara.
looks like a Mother Teresa. I don't write mother, and she looks like a Teresa. That is like Mother Teresa.
like
And
अगाडि लेख्नु भयो कि हजुरले.
she looks a Teresa. She looks a Teresa. Then it clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
a precise frequency. Read the examples. Anyone? Read the examples.
He goes to college
He
once a
goes
week.
to college once a week.
Then second example.
She phones her daughter twice a day. Twice a day.
And another example.
He can jump 40 times a minute.
Okay. Do you find precise frequency in these statements?
Yes.
Tell me.
Once a week, twice a day,
Once a week,
times a
twice a day,
minute.
times a minute.
Good. Once a week is a precise frequency, twice a day is precise frequency, and 30 times a minute. When we see precise frequency, we use article. Then another number about prices, quantities, and rates, we use articles. Look at the example. A kilo of apples cost Rs 250. It is a price. The kilo of apples is 250 is a price. Is he walks 3 km an hour. He walks. This is quantities. How many way he can walk in an hour? So this is quantities. To talk about particular day, another number is to talk about particular day. The old man died on Tuesday. We do not use article before date, but on particular day we should use article. Here you can see the old man died on a Tuesday. Tuesday is a particular day, so we use a. Then the car was towed by police on Saturday. To talk about particular day, we can use a before a day. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then here are some questions. Try to solve these questions. I provide you 5 minutes. Complete these sentences using a or an. He is friend of mine. We bought airplane. Sam is honest man. He works in FM station. They talked for hour. This is SEE certificate. She is excellent painter. I eat banana every day. There is bank just opposite to cinema hall. Is there dictionary? Are you doing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
If you complete, then inform me. Are you writing? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I am going to read the question. You will tell the answer. He is friend of mine. Which
A.
A. We bought airplane. We bought
N.
an airplane. Sam is honest man.
N.
He works in FM station.
N.
Then
An hour.
they talked for.
Hour.
This is
N as the certificate.
okay. Number 7. She is an excellent painter.
N.
I eat banana every day. There is bank just opposite to
There
cinema
is
hall.
a bank.
Is there?
No article.
No. Is there?
Is there a dictionary?
Okay, you can check it here. Have you checked? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We finish the use of A or N, then we turn into use of the before the following proper nouns. We use the. Number A, unique object or noun. Unique object means only one object in the universe or around us, that is called unique object. The sky. The sky is only one. So we use before the sky the. Then likewise the sun, the Mars and the moon. The moon, the Mars, the sun and the sky are unique object because they are only one. Do you know the only one or unique object? Hello?
Moon. The moon.
The moon, the south, the west, the north, that is also unique or only one. Then number 2, musical instruments. Do you tell me the musical instruments name?
The madal, the guitar, the violin, and the flute.
piano, the flute.
Before musical instruments, we use the. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then another famous Srijana Pokhrel. What are you doing now? Do not make a scribble on the screen. Famous and religious books. Read this book's name.
The Munamadan, the Gita,
The Ramayana,
The Mahabharata, the Ramayana,
the Ramayana,
newspaper,
Okay.
the Kathmandu Post,
the newspaper,
the
Himalayan Times,
Okay.
the Kantipur,
Only,
etc.
read only number 3. Famous and religious books. The Munamadan, the Gita, Bible, Mahabharata,
the Mahabharata,
They are
the
famous
Ramayana,
and religious. That is for them. We use the. In number 4, before the names of newspapers.
The Kathmandu Post, the Himalaya Times, the Kantipur, etc.
Okay, the Kathmandu Post, the Himalayan Times, and the Kantipur, etc. Then another
Pacific Ocean.
oceans, river, lakes, falls. Before these objects or things, we use the Pacific Ocean. You can read it out.
The Antarctic Ocean, the Gandaki, the Nile, the Rara Lake, the Fewa Lake,
The Atung Fall,
the Hatung Fall, the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert,
Gandak Canal,
the Gandak Canal,
the Gandaki Canal,
Panama Canal.
the Himalayan range of
Then you can read another number. Number 6.
Chains of mountains, the Himalayan
range of the Rockies.
Okay. Okay, listen to me. Before the chains of mountains, we use the Himalayan range is a chains of mountain, Alps, Ture, and the Rockies. Number 7, before the names of famous ship, we use the. Read the examples.
The Titanic,
The Titanic, the Titanic,
the Queen Mary,
Queen Mary,
Okay. Then number 8, before scientific inventions, we use the radio, the television,
the radio, the television, the mobile phones, etc.
The mobile phones, etc.
Before all the scientific inventions, the name of scientific inventions, we can use the. Then another number, before plural nouns of the country. Some name of the countries are plural in the world. Before this plural country name, we use the. Look at here, the USSR, the USA, the UK, the Netherlands, the UAE, the Philippines, but we do not use the Nepal, the India, and the China. These nouns are plural noun of the country, so we use the. What? There is a singular noun of the country, we do not use the. Singular noun of the country is proper noun, that is why we do not use the. Then look at another. Number say before special meals we use the. The wedding party is a special meal. The Christian party is another special meal, and the birthday party also is special meal. When we talk about general meals, common meals, we do not use the. My mother cooking dinner. We should say my mother cooking dinner, but we do not say my mother is cooking the dinner. In common sense, we do not use articles before meals, but for the special meals, we use articles. Do we clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Then number D, before adjectives representing social class. That some adjectives represent the social class. Before name of the adjectives we use the. Here is examples: the blind, the young are strong, the old are weak.
Weak.
Blind, young, old are adjectives. They represent the social class. That is why we use the article. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at number A, before superlative degree. Superlative degree you have already read in the grade 6 or 7, 8 and 9. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Highest, tallest, longest, shortest, the most dangerous, the most beautiful, that are called superlative degrees. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. She is the most beautiful woman. Most beautiful woman is adjective. That is why we use the. And highest is superlative degree. That is why we use the. Then another number, before ordinal numbers we use the. He is the first boy of this class. First is ordinal, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. They are called ordinal numbers. Before these numbers we use the. He is the first boy. Before first we use the. Then in second example, she liked the second row. The second is ordinal number, so we use the. Then number G, read it out yourself. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read.
She liked the second row.
Okay. She liked the second row. I asked you to read number G.
Oh, singular noun represents the whole class or thing. The tiger eats meat. All the tigers in the world.
The tiger represents all the tigers. They are in the whole world. That is why we use before tiger the. Then the cow is a useful animal. Cow represents whole class. The cow. This cow represents whole cows in the world. So we use the. Number as physical position. He works at the bottom of the garden. The bottom of the garden is a physical position, so we use the. Then she is standing left of the temple. She is standing left of the temple. Before temple, we do not use in general sense articles, but At the physical position, we use article. Are you clear or not in this second example? You can tell me, feel free. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Clear? Okay. Then another. Number I, a noun mentioned in the second time. Before the noun mentioned in the second time, we use the. There is a boy who was walking with his teacher. There is a boy. Here is a boy. Boy is a noun. In the second sentence, the boy is repeated in the second time. That is why we use the. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Then
Yes, ma'am.
omission
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
article sometimes. Okay, tell me. If you have any queries, you can tell me. Omission of the articles. Sometimes we do not use articles before uncountable nouns and abstract nouns. Look at here. Sugar is bad for your teeth. Sugar. We cannot tell 1 sugar, 2 sugar, but we should measure and tell a kilo of sugar, 2 kilo of sugar. That is why we do not use article before sugar. Then wisdom is better than wealth. Wisdom is abstract noun, so we cannot use article. Virtue, it is its reward. Virtue is abstract noun, so we cannot use article. Then, but we can write. Would you pass the sugar? Sugar is here in the first example. We cannot use any article. Then in but, okay. Then number 2, we do not use articles before pronouns. Nepal is democratic country, not the Nepal. Likewise, Kathmandu, यो proper nouns को pronouns भएछ म यसलाई करेक्सन गरेर लेख्छु है proper noun. We do not use article before proper nouns. Nepal is democratic country. Before Nepal we cannot use. The Kathmandu is the capital city. Before Kathmandu we cannot use. The Gopal and Hari live in Pokhara. Not the Gopal and the Hari. Then number 3, before the names of meal. My mother is cooking dinner. We do not use article before meal. They are daily use in common sense. So before dinner we use zero article. Lunch is ready. Lunch is in common sense. This is general lunch. So we do not use article. That is why here is zero article. Are you clear in number 3?
फेरि एकपल्ट भनिदिनु त म्याम
Lunch is ready. The lunch is not a special meal. That is why we do not use article. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what we use before a special meal? I told you before this time, before the special meal, we use the but. In general meal, we cannot use the. Number 4, with the names of relation, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle and aunt, etc. We do not use article. My brother will come tomorrow. We could not write the my brother, the my mother, the brother, the sister. In general sense, we do not use article before these relations. Then here is some questions. You can do it now. Everybody write down these questions. Try to solve this question writing in your copy. Are you doing this? Okay, where I'm going to discuss about it. Who is player of the team? Which article is used here?
Who is the
The. Okay, good answer. New Zealand is island. New Zealand is an island. The island is incorrect because New Zealand is an island. If the island is in subject, we should use the word it is. Island is complement, so we use a. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then number 3, there is UE beside him.
And
UE. When we pronounce UE, the first sound becomes ko to gya. So we use
and
a. Then number 4, this is place. This is place I like very much. Which one is correct answer?
this is the place I like very much.
Then number 5, that is useful family book.
And that is an
That is N or A? That is
a
useful family book. Okay. What is Mr. Gurung like? He is honest man.
is
And then number 7, she is most beautiful girl in our school. Correct answer is the. Then number 8, this is plot where we intend building a house. This is the plot. Plot is particular thing. Number 9, which is longest river in the world? Longest. Okay. Number 10, John is from place. John is from a place or the place. Harry's place is countable or particular. You should find out.
from the
Particular. So before the particular thing or object, we should use
object is the.
Okay. Then number 11, the lion is king of beast. The king of beast. Carol is from
UK.
UK.
The UK.
This is a plural form of noun, so we use the 12 inches make foot. Make a foot. Okay. Sun gives us light and heat.
The sun.
The sun gives light and heat because sun is unique object. Have you seen one-eyed man? One-eyed man because what is between 4 to so we use my class, my subject matter is finished. Everybody, I would like to say thank you very much for your active participation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I feel